Manianda, my screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay. First of all, what we have to learn, what we have to learn means we want to learn a full stack developer. So for that, we want to know the front end and backend.
Okay.
Mm, So as of now, we have know the basic knowledge of front end and backend as well as, but we want to know the in-depth knowledge of front end and backend. So that's why we started this class. We started this class. So
Okay.
today, uh,
Is this purely based on backend or what? Front end
oh
also
no, no,
included,
first,
huh?
yeah, front end also included. First we want to learn backend. After that, we want to learn front end.
Okay.
Today only, first we only focusing on backend.
Okay.
Okay. Next, today we were learning only the backend roadmap. What are the things are we are learning in this backend? Okay.
Okay.
First, we want to know the Java for
Core
backend.
Java.
For which language? Yeah, for which language you are speaking means it's also okay. But today we are learning only Java in this. For Java,
Okay.
we
Mm-mm.
have to know Java basics and how the JVM works, hooks, concepts, and exception handling, and IO streams on Java 8 and level features. Want to learn the core Java basics. After that, we
Okay.
want to learn any one of the SQL queries. For SQL, we can learn MySQL database or NoSQL database for MongoDB. Just a basic commands.
Okay.
For JDBC, we
For
want to
GDP.
connect with we want to connect with our database and do some code operation with Java
Okay.
without any frameworks. Only do Java programming with JDBC connection and do code operation, create, update, delete.
Okay. For those operations, what are the softwares we need to install?
No, only Eclipse, only we want to install.
Okay.
That's all.
For database connection also, only Eclipse enough, huh?
No, for database connection, some of the Java files are there to connect with JDBC,
Okay. Where I
to connect with
can download
database.
those jar files?
You can search in for Oracle. We have
Okay.
in
Will
this.
I be trained on those connections as well in this session?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
in this section, not in this series, we will learn all
Okay.
this stuff.
Okay. In this sessions, we will in this what to say in this series, we will be learning end to
Uh,
end.
yeah, in this series, we have learning this all this concept. What all I am saying means all we have have to learn.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So don't worry, I have all learned. I
Oh,
will
okay.
teach
Let
you.
let us consider. I don't have zero. I don't have any knowledge in Java. Okay, I have zero knowledge. I don't even know the syntax of the Java. What should I do?
First, no, don't worry. First, you see some of the videos of basic syntax, not
O-
advanced, just for a half an hour or 1 hour video for basic syntax, and it will enough for the learning this areas.
Okay, where I can learn those syntax and all? Do you have any resources or template videos?
Yeah, here also having so many videos are having. Yeah, telescope also having.
So in YouTube, there will be thousands of video. I need a specific content, which is really good full to this our series.
Yeah, it is good. Kunal Pushpaga is good, but he has put so many lengthy videos. So
Yes,
it does takes lot of time.
will this video be in English or what? He will be
Yeah, English
teaching
only.
in Hindi.
Yeah, yeah, English only. These videos are English only, but it takes too long. We also learning your these videos only to cover all the topics. For OOPS concepts, we have learning this only.
Okay, 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 got it.
This only, but in short, I will teach you in short terms. He
Okay,
covers
okay, okay.
1 or 2 or 3 hours like that, but I will cover in short all the
Okay,
concepts in short.
I have another question. Okay,
Yeah,
in this series, do you include DSA as well?
no, no, no. TSA,
DSA means basic algorithms like sorting, searching.
no, no. We can do in another series also, but in this series only covering backend development only.
Okay, okay, okay. Purely based on web development
Yeah,
using
backend
Java.
development.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
For you, you can learn the mm,
12
having
hours
12
video.
hours. Yeah, 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 yeah. It has 12 hours video, but mm,
Mm,
we can see 1 hour only for this enough. For while
okay,
loop, this enough AI. Because yeah, after that is a class and object and all. I will teach you
okay,
this
okay.
and all OOPS
Good.
concepts. So I will teach
Okay,
you
this is good
only
enough.
syntax and data types and that's and all. I will teach you.
Okay, for this, today I will raise a software request for Eclipse. Okay,
Okay. It is
so that
enough software requirement.
okay. Mm,
That's all. JDBC.
for
Solid
for
principles means
installation, do I need to get approval from my manager or what?
yes, you want to get your manager
For
approval.
VS Code, we have installed it directly, right? Since it
Yeah.
is like a text editor.
Yes, yes,
Mm.
etc. But at least we want to raise the ticket
Okay,
only.
okay, okay.
Okay. After that, solid principles, we have worked in front end. So cleanly writing code, having no that are the some of the principles for MVC. These are solid principles like that. This also
Okay.
we want to, but it is
I,
optional only. Yeah,
it is like we will be coding in like semantic, right? Semantic
yeah,
manner.
yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
like that only.
okay.
For JSP and servlet means we have creating only standalone applications, only purely Java-based applications. Okay.
o-
Here
Okay.
it will have the backend and as well as the front end in that
Mm-hmm.
application only.
Mm.
Why we have learning means this and all the basic stuffs. Like,
Oh,
if
okay,
you learning means it will helpful for Spring and Spring Boot. It will good understand. That's why
okay.
we have to learn. But
Spring
it is
and
only
Spring Boot
legacy.
both is same or like it is
No, no,
different.
no. Yeah, I will say Spring Boot is
Okay,
a built in top of the Spring only.
okay.
If a Spring has means we want to create a project. After that,
Mm-hmm.
we want to add dependencies. Right, I will show. This is the Spring project, Spring Boot project. It is not a Spring Boot, it is a Spring project only. I consider it is a Spring project, Spring Boot project. Here we want to create some project, and after that we want to add dependencies. After that, we want to add some of the configuration files.
Dependent means in front end we will
It
be
is like a
adding in
yeah, yeah,
packages JSON, right?
npm packages. Yes, yes, not
Okay,
packages.
okay.
We are installing no. So here we want
Uh,
to put here. put this dependency means it will automatically download the package.
Okay. Can I
Same
consider
as
as if Spring is React means Spring Boot is Next.js, right? I can consider like this.
what?
If
Same. Yeah. Right.
Next.js
Same.
also built on React.js, right?
React only. Yeah, right.
Okay.
But I'm showing the difference means it has some of the configuration file. Spring has a lot of configurations and stuff. But Spring
o-
Boot it will all do automatically.
Okay.
So we don't worry about the configurations. We want to code. But
Oh,
we want to learn Spring. After that, we want to move to the Spring Boot.
okay.
Next, web servers. Web servers means the when we are creating applications, that application we want to run in some of the servers. That server is Apache Tomcat server or Nginx. Some of the having no JBoss. So we want to learn what is web servers, what is application server, and how it is
Okay.
working.
These web servers, how can we relate with our Node.js? Node.js also having some web servers, right? Where I can relate with Node.js.
For Node.js also, we are creating Webpack. I already teach what is Webpack.
Okay, Webpack, web bundles.
When you create a npm start, what it does,
NPM start, it will be what? It will be run our script.
what script?
We will be we have written our code in server rate server.js. It will run our server
No,
code.
npm start means what it will run.
NPM start means for you are asking for front end.
Yeah,
Oh, I for front end I don't know. I have no idea.
npm start means it will start React script, right?
Okay,
And React script, it is built in top of a Webpack. What is
okay.
Webpack?
Webpack. Mm-hmm. Sorry, no
It will
idea.
all. I already
Do
said no.
I remember all our code will be
Yeah.
stored in single line, right? It
Yes,
will
yes.
create a single script line.
Single script line. No, it is a single script line and a single file only.
Okay.
So same like that only. And
It
running in
will
one
have
server now.
one HTML file, CSS file, and JS file, right?
Mm. After
Okay.
it will run in server.
Okay.
For Maven, for npm having in front end, it having a npm node.
Okay.
So as well as here we having a Maven.
Okay.
We want to learn that also how to create. In front end, we have to npm build. No, we want to build a project and
Yes,
then we
npm
want to
run
deploy.
build. Uh,
Yeah. After that, we want to put in the build file into some of the deploy in server to
hmm.
to deploy the application. Same like that in Maven, we want to learn how to create a in Java in jar file. In front end we are creating build. So in backend it is creating a jar file. So we want to put it in the deployment. And how we want to create the jar files and put it in the backend. And
Oh,
also we want to learn the get
git
the
command.
basic commands each and every.
Okay.
All this prerequisite it will take 1 month, below 1 month only, less than 1 month. We have
Okay.
covered this all these topics.
Okay.
After that, we
Okay.
are moving to Spring.
For oh, in this all where we will be writing our APIs, REST APIs.
Oh, wait, Maya. It is not creating REST APIs. It is the basic stuff.
Okay.
We are
Then
not creating
how
any
will we will be doing CUD operation?
third operation means only updating the database. Okay, with Java
Okay.
code,
Okay.
not
Okay.
with
Okay.
front end. We are
On
we are not touching any front end.
L. okay, if we are doing in SQL means we can do. What about NoSQL databases?
Yeah, no SQL database also having that jar files and all having. We can also do a code operation with no SQL database also.
Okay, without API.
Yeah, without API
Okay.
means what you are asking.
Then in Node.js, we will be doing how we will do. We will create a server. We will create a API, and we will test those APIs in our Postman, right?
Yeah, yeah. But
In
wait.
here, how we will do?
In here, we are not doing anything like that. Just here having no some of the Java files first, right?
Okay, okay.
Here
I
one Java
already.
file.
Mm, 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 mm.
Just
Okay.
here you are
Uh,
just writing some of the Java codes.
mm,
In
mm.
if you run this code, it will execute that command. This execute that code, and it will update the data in database. That's all.
Okay.
Just Java code, pure Java codes.
Okay, okay. For database connection, do we have any connection string?
Yeah. For database connecting a database, it is have some of the jar files are there to connect the data to connect to the database.
Okay. Mm,
We are not any creating any not no APIs. Just we
okay,
are
okay.
creating an and it will execute that command. That's all. This
Okay,
only you
okay.
have to learn. After that, we want to learn the code operation in JDBC. See JSP and servlets.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, After that, we are moving to the Spring. And first we have to learn Spring core. Spring core
Okay.
means what we have to learn means loosely coupling IOC container dependency injections and all. We want to cover in Spring core. After Spring MVC, we want to create a project with the Spring, but without any configuration, without any Spring Boot automatic configuration. We want to create from scratch with manual configuration and do
Okay.
some of the MVC projects like
Mm-hmm.
JSP page and code operation with the Spring MVC. After that,
Mm-mm.
here we have do some of the JDBC. No,
Mm.
it is like a tough. It is like a lot of boilerplate codes, and here it will have some minimal code to do.
We need to learn Spring JDBC.
Yes. After that, we want to learn Spring Boot, just fundamentals. What about means basic
Mm.
Spring Boot and the folder structures. What are the files we are having and how it is working like that.
Okay.
After that, Spring Boot MVC.
Okay.
Here we have learned just here we have to put but Spring Boot it is reduced lot of the configuration files. We can see in the series. It is always it will show the less errors. That's why all are like in Spring Boot.
Okay.
Just Spring MVC, just we can move to the Spring Boot MVC. Just do some of the projects with code operations. Same like that. After that, Spring Data GPA.
Okay.
Here, in Node.js, you know that for MongoDB, we are having a Mongoose ORM, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, same as that, here having a Hibernate ORM. First,
Okay.
we want to learn what is a Hibernate. There are some of the find, create, save, update, get element by ID, some like that having no. Same here also having like some of the like that. We have to learn. Here,
Okay.
Hibernate is same. After that, in after that, the same as Hibernate, it has a Spring Data API. Both are same
Okay.
only. First, we have to learn Hibernate, and after that, we will learn Spring Data API.
Okay.
Next, we are moving to the Spring REST. You are asking, no, creating REST API and
Okay.
using the testing in Postman. Same here only we are doing this.
Okay.
And then provide different endpoints to other front-end applications we are using.
Okay.
After that, we are going to the Spring aspect-oriented programming. This we here we learn how the Spring is internally working, and it is useful for the understand the Spring security concepts well, as well as the transaction management. So it is important to learn Spring AOP
Okay.
aspect-oriented programming. After that, Spring Security. Here, Spring Security means you can know in Node.js they use JWT, OAuth, having
Yes,
no
yes, yes.
same like that only here also. Spring Security also having. So we have to
O-
learn this Spring Security.
Okay. In
After
Java,
that,
we can use JWT, right? We
yeah,
can't
yeah, in
use
Java also,
Karthi, you are breaking.
yeah, yeah, we can use JWT in Java also.
Okay.
After that, we want to learn Spring Test. For that, we want to know the basic JUnit testing for Java. Okay,
Okay.
write some of the test cases. So same as
Okay.
like that, in React we use just so as well
Yes.
as here also using Spring Test.
Okay.
For logging, we can use the log4j or SLF4j for logging. We can use in console only, console.log.
Yes,
Here
yes.
we have used some of the logging packages to
Okay. Hey,
log some of the error files.
these logs will be stored as a file in our system, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can also do like that only.
Okay.
After that, in Spring JMS, it is used for messaging services. We are using a set applications,
Chat application.
real time.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Same like that. It is using. It is first we have to learn Kafka and RabbitMQ or RabbitMQ. These are the tools used in Spring JMS. After that, Spring Batch. Spring Batch is useful for handling the Excel sheets, for creating Excel sheets or updating Excel sheets. Some of the big data are, the Spring Batch is it
Mm.
is useful. It is useful.
Okay.
Finally, the Spring Data MongoDB. Here we using only SQL queries.
Mm-mm.
Spring Data GT and Hibernate are only for SQL queries. Here Spring
Oh,
Data MongoDB for no SQL database queries. It will handle.
okay.
Thing is,
Karthi,
we want to. Uh,
in this series, after
yeah,
completing all the topics, are we doing any project related to Java full stack development?
yeah, we are definitely doing app. Here having doing some of the we are learning Here
Yes,
also
yes, yes.
simultaneously we are creating the front end
Along
also.
with the topics, we will be doing
Yeah,
the
we are creating
project.
front end also. Here
Oh,
after here onwards we are doing a front end as well as
okay, okay,
from Spring Data JPI we are doing only standalones. After that when we creating a Spring REST means we can creating a React project as well as simultaneously.
okay, okay. What I'm asking means, are we doing a project in this series? Means we will be, you will be teaching in this series, right? In these sessions. Do you get my point?
Only yeah, I get it.
You
But
will be teaching in this meeting alone, right?
yeah, teaching, but it is not I'm able. It is only front end simple stuffs I will teach you,
Okay,
not
okay,
advanced.
okay, okay.
Just basic UI and basic output and showing some of
You
like
you
that only.
you leave UI and all. I will be asking fully on backend.
What?
Okay, I'll be asking about backend. You will be teaching end to end how to write up to from card option to up to API creation. You will be teaching, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And along with we can do front end also, but front end as as of now we
Y-
have knowledge in with front end now.
Yes, yes.
That stuff is enough to create this some of the projects.
Okay, okay.
That's all. The main thing is we want to learn in this order only because it will helpful in another section. If it will learn this three means it is
Hmm.
good. It is good for Spring Boot because it will easy. After that,
Okay, okay.
when we learning this three means it will the 4, 5, 6 and all very easy.
Okay. Can I get this PDF?
Yeah, I will share.
Okay.
After that, we have created some of the Spring. We have most of the Spring, but actually in all the companies they are asking the microservices framework, right?
Yes, yes.
In microservice architecture, we want to learn first Spring Cloud
Spring Cloud.
for load balancing. I know, first of all, I don't know what is the Spring Cloud and all this all topics are I don't know. We want to learn after this all completing. After that, we have to learn this all topics.
Okay.
I also don't know what is this and all, but I created a roadmap.
Okay, okay.
For DevOps, it is Jenkins for CI and CD pipelines, for Docker for container, and Kubernetes for to handle containers, AWS for hosting.
Okay.
This and all I know website. DevOps. In tool YAML files means we have to create in some of the Kubernetes and Jenkins no, so that we need YAML files. For Swagger means for Postman we are using that
Your voice is breaking.
the Postman service. For Swagger it will automatically give the Postman like testing APIs.
Okay.
For Grafana, I searched in Google. It is showing for data analysis like that.
Okay.
That's all I know. Some of the design patterns we have to learn for microservices. After it,
Okay.
it is maybe okay. We will try for to learn the microservices. As of now, it is enough for Spring Data MongoDB. It is enough.
Okay. I
After
thought
that, we can
microservices like we will be doing a small scale application with some other technology rather to Java. I thought it was microservices, but
yeah
in
yeah
this slide I could see many of the things are there.
yeah. It is same like that only. But microservices is the architecture only, not a how would I tell you, not a Java or any language like this
Okay, okay,
architecture only.
okay,
So
okay,
design patterns also some of the it is not dependent on any languages. It is the architecture.
okay, okay, okay,
We can use also Node.js also here, so no problem.
okay, okay,
Here also this one all you have to learn.
okay,
Today's section is that's all.
okay.
Any doubts?
Takeaway from this session is I need to learn the basic syntax of Java.
Yes.
Okay, then I need to request Eclipse after in my service portal. After
Mm,
that, what I need to do? Okay. Mm-hmm.
what?
Karthi, what? I will create on Excel sheet. Then there I will enter what are the topics I have learnt. Okay.
Okay.
Or else you can
No.
send
Wait.
MOM.
No. I will. You can see the video and also I will teach you after that. Okay.
Okay, okay. Then
Because it is only simple stuff. No, about that syntax and all. First go variables, data types, type conversion assessment. It is all based on the JavaScript also
no,
same
I'm
as
not
that.
I'm not telling this. If tomorrow I will be learning Spring Core means I will be entering my what what to say. I will be
Yes.
entering in Excel sheet. Or else you will be you can send MOM. Okay, what we have learnt in what you have
Yeah.
teached me
Yeah,
in
I am also creating a MMO daily, okay? Don't
okay,
worry.
okay, okay,
Because yeah, here we having some of the application blog. I will creating some of the blog application. I will update daily. What we have
okay,
teaching,
okay, good.
you can refer
Okay, where you will be posting these videos?
in YouTube only.
Okay, in your blog application, we will be adding your links, right?
Documentation.
Only documentations or documentation along with YouTube links.
Yeah, YouTube links also I will add. In documentation, we have some of the, it will take time, no, to watch the videos. It will simply, if you have any doubt,
Okay, okay. Just for reference, I will see the videos.
no, just for reference, you can see the article, or
Okay,
if you want, watch full video.
okay, okay.
That's also container Spring MVC. Very busy how we have to. In Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring Derivation, and all, we face
Mm-mm.
so many errors we have to face. But in after we have moved to the Spring Boot means we will face less error only because it will do all the configuration auto
Mm-mm.
configure so that we will face less error. But before the Spring Boot, we have faced lot of errors, so we want to undo that errors only.
Okay.
That's all.
Shall I stop recording?
Yeah, you can stop. Wait, I will stop.
I stopped.